Welcome to CBSE Educational Services, where we believe in learning together, growing beyond. Today, we bring you exciting news about a one-of-a-kind event for students, parents, and teachers. Attention students, parents, and teachers. The moment you have all been waiting for you is finally here. Yes, Pariksha Pe Charcha is back with Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This inspiring event is your chance to connect directly with Prime Minister as he shares powerful tips to leave exam stress behind and perform your best. And it is not just for students. Parents and teachers will also get insights on how to guide and support students in achieving their dreams. Students of classes 6 to 12, teachers from all disciplines, and parents supporting their children's education all are welcome. And here is the exciting part. Around 2,500 students selected for the main event will receive exclusive PPC kits from the Ministry of Education. At CBSE Educational Services, we are proud to support this wonderful initiative. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to say goodbye to exam stress and get inspired to perform your best. Join 8th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha by registering today. Don't miss this incredible opportunity.
Let's see how to participate in this mega contest. You can participate in this contest using a PC, laptop or mobile device. I will guide you through the process using a mobile device. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. In the address bar, type Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025 and hit search. You will see two links, one in Hindi and the other in English. For this demonstration, I am going to select the English link. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the Pariksha Pe Charcha dashboard. Here, you will find a Participate Now button. Click on it and you will see four options. First, student. Second, student through teacher login. Third, teacher. And fourth, parent. If you are a student, select the student self-participation link. If you are a teacher, choose the teacher link. And if you are a parent, click the corresponding parent link. For this demo, let's proceed as a student. Click on the student self-participation link. This will bring up a login window where you need to enter your name and email ID or mobile number. Once you do that, an OTP will be sent to your email or mobile number. Check your email or text message, retrieve the OTP and enter it in the respective box. Once logged in, you will be taken to the contest main page. From here, you can begin participating. In this main page, there are three sections. I will guide you through them step by step. The first section is student details. Here, students need to fill in the following information: your first name, your second name, your mobile number, your gender, your date of birth, your class, your address, and finally your parent name. Once you have completed this section, we move to section 2. In section 2, students should enter their school name. Next, select the board to which your school belongs. For example, if you are in CBSE, select the CBSE board, and if you belongs to a state board, select the corresponding state board. Then provide the school address, including the country, state, district, and other details. Finally, we come to the third section. This section includes a small activity. Here, you will find 5 general questions. All these questions are multiple choice questions and students need to answer all of them. Finally, which is the most important, students' question to the Prime Minister. In this section, you need to submit a question of your choice. It could be related to life skills, exam preparation and stress, career guidance, or any other topic you had or like to ask the Prime Minister. Remember, your question should not exceed 500 characters. Once all the sections are completed, verify your details carefully. After confirming everything is correct, click the submit button to complete the process. After completed the last process, you will get this message: you have successfully submitted your participation in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2025. The certificate will be available from 1st February 2025. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all the latest videos. Your support means a lot, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.